Free camping at casinos. I've done it many, many times, and you can get in some really nice areas right in the casino parking lot. Also, some casinos even have RV parks. Come on, let's check it out. Camping in casinos. I've done this a few times, and it's worked out really well for me. Most of it's free. Some even have RV parks. You can either park in their parking lot like a boondock, or you can camp right in their RV parks. Some are really, really high-end RV parks. Vegas is full of them, so is most of Nevada, almost all. But surprisingly, California, where you can't park anywhere, all their casinos, you can just camp in them right in the parking lot. Mainly what you need to do, you have to go and register. You tell them you're out there, you give them your license plate number. Because security runs around all the time, you do need a contained rig. You do need to have water, bathroom facilities, and all that in your RV. Now, I did camp twice in a conversion. I did it once in my cargo trailer conversion and also my van. As long as you got your own facilities, that's good. Check out this website. It shows you different states where a lot of casinos are. Look at that, 60 down here, 18.5. They're just all over the place. Some states don't have them because they don't allow gambling. But it's a good little access, good little resource. Check it out, free casino parking. Here's another website, 10 where you can stay. Lakeside Casino RV Park, Nevada. Look at that, Plush RV Park. Mills Casino Hotel in Oregon. There you go, right on the water. Look at that. Washington State. Illinois, huh? There's Pachanga. I stayed at Pachanga. This one right here. In the cargo trailer. Gold Ranch, Nevada. So on and on. Just research it. But if you're struggling to find a place to park your RV, then definitely look for a casino. Because you're always going to get something to eat. Most of them got restaurants. You can't stay forever. A couple nights maybe. Right here, I just did a casino camping video about Laughlin, Nevada. Right here, about a month ago. Well, just one more way for free camping. Not bad, huh? Casino camping, go figure. All right, moving on.